Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. So this is my first unboxing video of 2024 and I am very excited. So the lovely people over at Fifine have sent me the Ampligame H9 gaming headset to unbox and review for you today. So as usual, I'm going to unbox these headphones, see what they look like, and then we're going to do a mic test them out with some games and see how we get on. So without further ado, let's get into it. So what's really good is that the headphones are super compatible, so you can either use the USB or the 3.5mm jack to plug the headphones into your consoles and devices. I use the adjustable sides on the headphones to match my head shape because you know your girl's got a big head, but they were actually really comfortable to wear, and considering I have glasses, they weren't too bad either. Right, so I'm going to do a mic test for the gaming headset. I am currently using my Wave 3 Elgato mic, which is my daily microphone. I use it all the time. And now we're going to test the H9 gaming headset mic. Okay, so now I am testing out the mic on the H9 gaming headset. I listened to a previous test that I did before, and I'm actually quite surprised. Like, the quality is really decent for a microphone like this, especially a detachable microphone. This is really good. But yeah, I'm going to put my little bullet points of notes here because sometimes I forget stuff while I'm editing. So yeah, future Tori, help me out. So the headset comes with a mini control center where you can basically adjust the volume of your devices, and you can also adjust the volume of your microphone. So in the middle of the control center is a button, and you can see it says 7.1. So that is actually for surround sound. So you can choose to turn that on or off, and you can see that it's turned on when the button is red. My honest opinion, I actually really like these headphones. One thing about me is I really love to hear the game. I love audio cues, especially when I'm playing COD, games where you have to hear footsteps, and also I really like the sound of reloading guns as well. That is really nice, and that is something that this headset does very well. The sound quality was really good. I also like the fact that I could detach the microphone when I was playing a game that didn't require me to speak, like Assassin's Creed Valhalla, and yeah, the sound quality is actually really good. I would even go as far to say that the headphones have noise cancellation in them already, which is actually really cool because I genuinely couldn't hear my surroundings. But yeah, big up Fifine because this headset is actually really good. They got clear audio, strong compatibility, it's just easy plug and play. The headphones are comfortable, the mic is good, the sound is good. But yeah, no, I really like these headphones. But yes, that's it from me. That is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you thought down in the comment section below. I hope you have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you watch me from in the world, and I'll see you all in my next YouTube video. Bye!